Okay, so it's been a long time, so allow me to reintroduce myself. Hi, I'm Ghost. I'm a systems engineer, mainly self-taught, but I am going to school, pursuing my bachelor's, then my master's, and then on to my PhD for computational science. I started this channel like literally a year ago, mainly just to share my knowledge, but then it quickly went into more like tutorial-based stuff. And that's not really what I wanted to do. What I really wanted to do is just to share my knowledge, because I am a continuous learner and some things aren't going to be perfect, but I want to just share what I know with you. And if I make any mistakes, then please correct them in the comments, because this is what it's all about. We are part of this community and we're here to help each other learn and grow. Yes, I'll still make tutorials if that's what you want, but some of my videos will just be me basically sharing what I know. And to clarify that, it won't be completely instructional, step-by-step how you implement something. Also, I want to talk about the type of content I will be creating. So last year I was doing more of just C++. This year I want to cover C and C++. Currently right now I'm doing a lot of embedded system stuff, specifically bare metal. And I always continue to learn more and more about computer science. Like for instance, I have this video that I want to make that goes over memory alignment, and it's more of an in-depth video really explaining how it works and some of the pitfalls that can happen if you're not careful. So yeah, if that sounds too boring for you and you're more higher level, or you just want somebody to tell you exactly what to do step by step and how you implement something, that's not what you're going to be getting. So I just want to be fully transparent. What you will be getting is somebody who not only implements, but who goes in depth about the theory of what exactly it is I'm implementing, as well as mathematics, because it's very important to brush up on that skill. Besides all that, I really just want to have fun with this page, because that's why I started it initially. And I felt like I lost sight of that last year and got to like tutorial E. You know what I'm trying to say. I pretty much did too much tutorials and got too serious with it, and I'm not trying to do that. So once again, if that interests you and you're new here, please click the subscribe button. If you're still here from the past, then hey, thank you for sticking around, and hopefully you don't mind my awkwardness, because I can get awkward sometimes. And oh yeah, for my posting frequency, it may be a little sporadic. I do want to commit to this, but it won't be something like concrete, like every Monday I release a video or whatever. I can't do that because I'm currently doing a lot of other stuff. I don't know if you know this, but I built 2Byte Games, which is my studio, and I built a custom game engine over there, and I'm still working on that. I'm working on other side projects. I'm working on some personal stuff. I'm working on my education. And yeah, the list goes on. So there's a lot of things that I'm juggling at once, and this happens to be just one of those other things I want to juggle too. But I don't want to put too much pressure on myself to make videos at some sort of frequency. So if you could bear with me and please respect that, cool. I really appreciate that. Anyways, that's it for now. If you have anything you want to say, please leave it in the comments. Hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video.